કેમ છો બધા? તમને બધાને ભૂખ લાગી છે ને? મને ખબર છે તમને ભૂખ લાગી છે, એટલે હું છે ને હવે રસોઈ બનાવું છું. Come on to my kitchen. I'm making a YouTube video for everybody to learn some Gujarati cooking. Leave at a time. And I'm putting this leaf on top of the other leaf. Then I put some besan flour on it with the all kind of spicy. That will come out very very yummy.
And are you rolling it up?
Yeah, then we roll it up. This is like an Indian sushi.
Oh.
Vegetarian, vegan food.
What type of
Very
leaves are those? What type of leaves?
The leaves called Patra.
Oh.
Patra. Actually, it's a elephant ears.
Oh.
That's all the elephant ears. You know, you can grow in your garden
Oh.
this elephant ear.
How long does it take to make it?
It will take 15 minutes to steam it.
So we
I'm gonna
steam
steam it. Yeah. Let's turn the steamer on. The steamer is on.
Oh, it's a double boiler. So you just want to take a pot and steam it up while we have our mixture going.
Yeah. When this thing is steaming up, I am finishing up with my patarvelia, the last drop of my besan. I'm gonna put a patarvelia, and so I'm making this, and then we're gonna take it to my son's house, Kaka's house, and we're gonna eat it by the lake.
Oh.
That's what we're gonna do. So this is a recipe for picnic, little picnic.
And that's about to boil.
Yeah, it is boiling. Yeah, this is the lid. Lid goes here, and now it's 2:29, so 3 o'clock.
So we'll see you in about 30 to 20 minutes.
Yes,
Oh,
see?
it's done.
It's done. Now we have to cool it off for 10 minutes, okay?
So you're going to cool the pata
Yeah.
for 10 whole minutes.
Now take it out from the steamer and leave it outside.
So we're going to place it into a container and we're going to fry the spices now.
Okay, now I'm in my son's kitchen. I'm gonna put like a little bit of oil and the kadai, and now I will put some kind. Then I'm gonna put some of these mustard seeds when the oil get hot. Meanwhile, I'm gonna cut this patarvelia rolls and make it into little bit tiny pieces, smaller pieces. Okay, see? Now we will just gonna toss it like this. Actually, some of part not cut here. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share the video with all your friends. See you next time. Aujo, sayonara.